Hi everyone, Om Prakash here, Udemy instructor turning beginners into AI creators. You have seen AI create stunning art, write novels, compose music from thin air. Looks like magic, right? Wrong. There is one simple secret separating boring search AI from creative explosion. Today I reveal exactly what generative AI is and why it changes everything for you. Generative AI isn't just a buzzword. Split the name generative, create new things. AI, smart system. Together, AI that invents original content from your instructions, not finding existing stuff, generating fresh images, text, music, video that never exist before. Traditional AI is incredibly fast librarian. Dead simple analog unlocks everything. Traditional AI super librarian. You ask space books, scans library, hands best matches. Brilliant for Netflix, shows you will love. Spam filters, Google Maps. But ask librarian, write new sci-fi novel. Can't. Only organizes existing info. Generative AI author whose read entire library, understands every plot, style, character, then writes completely original story, not copying passages, creating fresh narrative using learning patterns. This exact librarian versus author framework anchor lecture 2.1 in my Udemy generative AI for beginners chatbot with vibe coding course. We build on it with 10 plus hands-on demos plus 4 complete projects. Want full beginners to pro roadmap? Course link in description. Special discount active. Now watch this difference live. Practical proof. Logo need. Traditional AI searches stock librarians. Generative design retro-futuristic logo for zero gravity coffee shop orbiting Mars. 1950s dinner meets neon cyberpunk. Instant three unique concepts never existed. Compose melancholic blue balls from Lonely Moss rover missing Earth. Fresh wave from lyrics vocal generated live. Workout plan. 5 days dumbbell routine for busy dad. 25-minute session progressive overloaded. Custom PDF split out key. AI learns trillions patterns, remix your vision. Biggest myth busted. AI just copy internet. Nope. Human musician hear 10,000 songs, learn chord progression, then compose original hit. AI same studies patterns, not copies, generates novel combinations. Stop treating AI like a simple search engine. Proof same prompt twice, two different logos, two different songs, creations not search. This leap explains CEO panic, artist excitement, 100x productivity. The fundamental difference between finding and inventing. Traditional AI finds existing, predicts next database match. Generative AI creates new, invents next pattern remix. You are no longer just a user, you are a director. Human brain plus AI author is supernova creativity. Core blueprint. Generative AI takes your words, understand patterns, output original creations, shift mindset from search tool to creative partner. Master this prompt like pro instantly. Transform from spectator to creator in my complete Udemy course. Every model ranked vibe coding chatbots, AI video films, full project portfolio. Enroll now. Discount link below. Expires soon. Like if AHA hit. Subscribe weekly breakdowns. Comment author not librarian. Let's build.